Oh my goodness, so I just ran errands all morning, picking up faucets for the bathrooms so we can put water in this weekend, and just getting a bunch of other stuff. So now we are upstairs in the boys' bathroom, and while I was gone, James got some of the tile work done. You can see behind me here where he's been working on the shower. So I'm gonna help him get the rest of this finished. So, here we go. We got a good little system going. I do the tile cutting and James puts it up. It goes fastest this way. We just got that small section there. We ran out of grout, so James just went to make us more grout. Actually, it's not grout, it's mortar. Anyway, and behind us here, those black little strips that you see, those were actually silver in the store. I really wanted it to be black, but they weren't black. It was either like tan, brown, silver, or rub oil bronze, and I wanted it to be black. So we bought the silver ones because they were the cheapest. They were only 10 bucks a piece, and we spray painted them black. Because the rub oil bronze ones were like $25 a piece. I didn't want those, so they actually turned out really good. Can't even tell. I like it. Tile work is completely done. He got even little pieces down there put in. Those little ones. Looks great. And next, we are leveling the vanity and screwing it in so we can go get the vanity top and put it on. That was heavy, carrying that in this box and up the steps, but it's behind me here. I'll show it to you. I really like it. This is the vanity top. I picked out this granite. I forget what type of granite it is, but it's like a black and a white and a gray. I really like it. So it's really good with the charcoal gray cabinet. And then it does come with a backsplash right here. So we're gonna put that on next. All right, now we're working on the plumbing. So this is the faucet that I picked out. It was really expensive, but I liked it, so. And now James has to get under here and hook everything up so that we've got water in the boys' bathroom for this weekend. Look at this. We got the faucet installed, all the plumbing down here done, and we have water. This thing is sturdy. I really like it. I am so tired, but the kids are still not getting fussy. It's 9 o'clock at night. Somehow they're not crying, so we're still working. We're working on putting in everything in this bathroom here behind me. This is the downstairs half bath. We got the vanity all fixed up. We got the concrete sink bowl in. It's wet because I was just cleaning it. And we got the faucet in. I love this faucet. Here's our toilet. Mom. And despite Corona, we do have toilet paper. We are getting ready to do my least favorite part of tiling, and that is grouting. So James just went through and pulled out all the little spaces that were in there, and now we're gonna grout. This is the grout. I wanted the dark grout. James is very reluctant to use it.
It looks terrible.
But we're using it. Whatever.
She was supposed to match the grout on the ground. Go ahead and show them that.
It's like white.
Yeah.
And I got charcoal gray, but I still like it. I like dark grout on light tile. I feel like it's a good color contrast.
Real
Punch in and
men
match
use
the
their
cabinet.
hands.
What?
Real men use their hands.
Oh gosh. And so it begins. Done. And now James is working on putting in the toilet. What is that thing?
It's a wax ring. It looks like poop.
It does look like poop. It's disgusting.
It's very sticky.
Alright, we finally got the toilet in, but I had to set down the camera because I had to help him line it up perfectly with those screws. But the toilet is in, now we're putting on the back part. Now we are working on putting in all the shower pieces. We've got that. And then we gotta put that part in up there. The toilet is in. Eli, did it flush?
Yep.
Okay, boys. And I think that's a wrap for the night. I started painting our bathroom downstairs for the master bath, so I'll finish that tomorrow. Look at this. It's a new morning and James is putting in our banister. We got Uncle B helping us here today. He is wiring up light switches and receptacles for us. And James and I are getting ready to lay the tile in our master bathroom. I just got everything cleaned up and swept up in that room so it's ready for tile, so we're gonna do that next. All right, the mortar is mixed and we are ready to go. There is the tile. Let's see the tile, babe. It is a gray, like wood looking tile.
There's Courtney cutting my tile for me. That a girl.
This is the last piece for the bathroom and we've gotten it all done. And it's done. Look at this. Finished.
I want to see.
Finished. You see it, Elias? You like it? I like it. All right, what's next?
Finish.
Well, we need to clean this bucket out.
I hate the cleanup.
Well, you don't ever clean it up, so it's your.
That is not true. I clean it up a lot. All right, so these are those lights that I spray painted the other day, black, that were brown. James is installing them. We're gonna have one on either side of the bed. He's working on that now. So James got the lights in our bedroom. I really like them. Let's look. And they have a dimmer switch right here. So I'm gonna turn it on. Ooh, it goes brighter, then you can dim it down. I love it. I like that switch. So these are installed in the wall instead of like having lamps on your nightstand. I really like them. This was actually James's idea, and I like it. Good morning. We are walking over to the house. It rained last night, so it's pretty muddy, so we're walking on the road instead of in the grass. Anyway, today's an exciting day. The gutter guys are there doing the gutters, so we're gonna go see what they're doing. Levi, say hi. He wants down because he sees the cat and he wants to play with the cat. Well, y'all, we are having our electrical inspection for the final move-in inspection on Tuesday. James is at work, and I'm gonna be here. So James has to take me through the whole house and tell me what everything is so that I can answer questions for the electrical inspector. And there's a couple of different electrical inspectors in our area, and we got the mean one. So I have to know what all this is. So what are you gonna do? He's gotta train me.
I'm just gonna go through and tell you what's what, because I know what he'll probably ask about, so.
Here's to training. Well, that didn't go well. He tried to teach me what all the electrical stuff is in the house. I don't know anything about electric. I don't know what any of this stuff is. James is working on putting in doors in our bathroom. He just got that door in. Now he's working on that door. And James put in our vanity light yesterday.
Like 3 days ago.
Well, whatever, I've been at work. Our house has gutters. See them along there? Gutters, and we have downspouts. Love it. trash in the burn pile, and now we're gonna burn these trees that we had to cut down. Oh my goodness. So nothing has gone as planned today. Every time we tried to do something, a tool broke or we lost supplies, or I don't know, it's just been a wreck. So we barely got anything accomplished today except for burning all the stuff outside. So now we're in the... Okay, James has gotten a lot done. I haven't. Anyway, we are working on finishing the tile in the master bath right now. So we just gotta do this part that goes back this way in the toilet bathroom. And then we will be done with the tile in the master bath, and then I think we might just be lazy tonight and sit outside, because I'm tired. We are getting it laid down back in here. Alright, so we got this part of the bathroom done. Now we're working on finishing the closet. And it's done. Over there is done. Yeehaw! Okay, so James is working on exchanging out these windows that I picked up at the store the other day. These are our windows that go really low to the ground. So because of that, it has to be what kind of glass? Tempered glass?
Tempered, yep.
Tempered glass. Okay, so working on these doorknobs is quite honestly a really frustrating process because our doors did not come with this chiseled out. So we have to trace the area where the door's gonna be, then we have to chisel it out for the part to go in there. And then we gotta screw everything in, and it just takes honestly 30 minutes to put in a doorknob, which should be like a 5-minute process. So we have a lot of doors in this house. This is taking us forever, but I'm getting it done. Just got done chiseling it out. So that is what it looks like. All right, got the doorknob on. And got that part in. Oh goodness. So we just finished cleaning off the front of the fireplace. This fireplace has been a messy disaster for the past couple of weeks. We finally cleaned it off. Now we gotta pull this fireplace out and put some blocking in there and get ready to put our flue pipe in. So that's what we're doing now. All right, babe, explain to me what you guys are doing down there.
Once you get this up far enough,
Putting our fireplace together.
once we get
There's
this
the
up
flue
far,
pipe.
you can take this and set it on.
Well, that was a disaster, but we got it done. This tiny little gap that you see behind me here, this, right there, which is just a couple of inches, I had to squeeze in there to make sure that everything was in place. Good news is, it is all in place. It is true. And my ribs got stuck coming out. Literally, my ribs were stuck. I didn't think I was going to make it out of there.
Belly.
And my gut. Okay, my ribs and my gut were stuck. Anyway, so now we're going to work on putting the fireplace actually together. They got the flue pipe going in there, and so now it's just all the pieces. So we're going to do that now. He just got it together. So he put all those pieces in, and he bolted it down with those. That's what holds it in place. Those metal hooks. And it looks good. We got the front porch cleaned off, and it's so clean. It's hard to believe. I forgot how big our porch was. We are so burnt out on the house that tonight we decided we're not gonna work or do anything. We're just gonna ride around on the quad and have fun and just whatever. So we've been hiking all through the property, we've been riding our quad and look at the view of the house from where we are on the four-wheeler. It's absolutely beautiful. It's, I don't even know what time it is, 4:30 p.m. on a work night. James is coming home from work, and the electrical inspector is also on his way to do our final electrical inspection. Once we pass that, then we just need our move-in inspection, which is going to be on Thursday. Today's Tuesday. And if we pass that, then we can move in this weekend. Anyway, so I'm waiting for the electrical inspector to get here, but outside, our buddy Roy is doing our excavation for us and moving around our topsoil with his bulldozer. So I'll show you guys that. Because we have to cut that piece of plywood to put right here to raise it up a little bit so that it's more level on the steps. Those are some weird angles. All right, James got the piece of wood put in. He still has to add the little piece there, but he got all this done. Now it's nice and flush. We're gonna put hardwood floors on those 2 landings so that it matches the hardwood steps. So it'll be this landing here that'll have oak hardwoods, and then it'll be the landing up there that has it as well.